The adventure is just beginning. We come so far already and I'm having a lot of fun. And we're not even on the boat yet and we're having a lot of fun already.
In this story, you will be seeing ideas on how to relax, adventure, and see beautiful scenery in the country of Belize if you're visiting. But if you're Belizean, you can take your family, your staff, your friends, and see 3 waterfalls in a single day. That is unbelievable! Woo! We're here in junglesplash.ecotours.
We haven't went on a boat yet, but we've seen a crocodile already and howler monkeys. This is amazing. Hey guys, I'm Anya, a part of the Unbelizeable Perez's, and I live in Belize. Yes, Belize, a small part of the whole entire world. It's small, but it's fun. I hope you enjoyed the video. We put a lot of hard work in it, and we put a lot of love in it too. I hope you enjoy it.
If you're a person that wants to go in the jungles of Belize, but you're scared of it because of all the creatures and insects that are there, which are so real, this is one of the best ways for you to experience Belize nature at its best.
Your view, Mom?
No, my view.
And remember, don't be scared, be smart, and keep it unbelievable.
This first waterfall took us like 15 minutes to hike there.
Get on, Papa!
Thank you for helping.
To the Sandpaper Waterfall. I'm thinking that's gonna be really flat or maybe even rocky.
Well, we gotta find out, right?
So let's check and see what this waterfall really looks like.
This has been a great trip. This is my kind of holiday. Like, you sit down in a comfortable chair and you see the sights. You go explore a bit. You sit down and relax, stick your feet in the water. The temperature is nice. If the air is hot, the water is cool. It's great. This is my kind of holiday. I definitely want to bring all of my family here to experience it, just for the sake of me getting to do it again. It doesn't get better than this. They prepare your lunch too. Real Belizean experience.
Pero te quiero a ti, te quiero a ti, a ti, a ti, a ti, a ti. Te quiero a ti, te quiero a ti, a ti, a ti, a ti. Pero te quiero a ti, te quiero a ti, a ti, a ti, a ti, a ti.
If you want to help us, you just have to do a little bit. subscribe underneath and share it to others, and that will mean a lot to us.
That is unbelievable. You gotta come and experience this wonderful place here in the country of Belize. This has been one of the most relaxing adventure that the Unbelizeable Perez's have done. And doing it with friends and our staff that work heavily with children and young people. We're always working with people just to go and have a fun time together. I encourage you, bring your family, come international and do this. It's unbelievable. For more information how you can go about booking your tour, I'll put all of that information below.
Next time, we want to learn more about how you can stay here close by, enjoy the jungle and the river, and we're going to take you along next time. Stay tuned.
Oh, and don't forget, don't be scared and be smart and keep it unbelievable.